Every morning, one girl stood at the bus stop with a notebook pressed to her chest. The city rushed past her, cars, voices, footsteps, but she stayed still, counting breaths. Inside the notebook were ideas she never said out loud, questions about the future, dreams that felt too big for a small street like hers. One day, the bus didn't come. She waited, then waited some more. Instead of closing the notebook, she opened it. She wrote a single sentence. "I don't have to be ready to begin." A stranger walked by and smiled. The sun warmed her hands. The noise felt less heavy. When the bus finally arrived, she didn't rush. She stepped on calmly, notebook lighter than before. It was still one girl, same stop, same city, but something had started.